India's leading manufacturing company. Loction, Oragadam, Chennai. Qualification. BSc Diploma Arts Science eith. Gender male female. Age limit 18 முதல் 22 வரை. Department Production Quality. Role Trainee. Fresher Experience. Salary CTC 22,500 முதல் 27,500 வரை. Take home salary 16,000 to 19,500. Shift timing 3 shifts rotational, 8 hours duty. Benefits. ESIPF. Uniform, shoes, PBE. Shift time food provided. Accommodation. Male. 2 to 3 weeks accommodation available. Female, complete accommodation eith food will be provided. Cab route across Chennai 50 kilometers. Contact details. 9840952373 637990834 720028484692